To make your cookie cutter bird feeders, you will need a bowl, a knife and fork, a baking tray, some greaseproof parchment and some cookie cutters. You'll also need a straw or a pencil to poke a hole. Ingredients you'll need are lard and some birdseed or cereal. First, cut the lard into chunks. Then put the chunks of lard into your bowl. You need twice as much cereal or birdseed as lard. So you can use a mixture of birdseed and porridge oats, cereal, doesn't matter. Then squidge the two together. If you don't like the texture of the lard, you can always use a fork. But if you want to get messy, get your hands on in there and squidge the lard and birdseed together. Okay. If you need to add more birdseed, cereal or porridge oats, you can do that until you've got a stiff mixture. Place your cookie cutters on some greaseproof parchment on a baking tray. Then spoon in some of your mixture into your cookie cutters. When you've filled your cookie cutter, use a fork or back of a spoon to press the mixture nice and firmly down. Like this. Okay. Once all the mixture is firmly pressed into your cookie cutters, you just need to use a straw or pencil to make a hole in the top of each one. This is where you'll put string through to hang them up. So just give a wiggle so you can see all the way through. Put a hole in each one. Once you've got a hole in each of the bird feeders, you'll pop the whole lot into the fridge to set overnight. Leave the bird feeders in the fridge at least overnight. When they're set, take the cookie cutters off of them, thread string through the hole so that you can tie them to a tree ready for the birds to enjoy.